Good morning. My name is Abadesio Mark Anthony S. And for this example, I'm entering the following data for column A and the fruits and the cells. So now let's perform some arithmetics calculation using formulas in Excel. I will demonstrate four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To add two numbers together in Excel, I will use the plus symbol and the formula. Click on empty cell C2, this, and type the formula first equals, then A2, then plus E plus yan, equals, tapos A2, then shift, then plus A3. Then click the enter to see the result. And next subtraction, uh, first equals, then A2 minus A3. Then enter to see the okay, click natin and to see the result. Then multiplication equals, then A2 asterisk asterisk A3, then press the enter to see the result. Okay. And then next division equals tapos A2 divide A3. Press the enter to see the result. Okay. So, i-apply nyo lang yon same application. So, ayan. Then next, punta tayo dito sa chart. Go tayo sa insert. Then, pipili tayo dito kung ano yung gusto nating um, example ng ating chart. So, um, yun lamang po. And thank you so much. My name is Anthony Abadesio. That completes my Excel demonstration. Now I will save the file and export this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Have a great day.